For the past year and a half, I have been going through something in the court system that nobody should have to endure, otherwise known as legal abuse or judicial terrorism. Now, this is very prevalent in the family law environment and domestic violence, but it does happen in any aspect. Now, you finally leave an abusive relationship, and then you learn what a narcissist is. And then the smear campaign comes, and then sometimes it gets even worse, just like this.
You're fake rapist. Let me tell you something. He lives in North Carolina right now. He's only a 10-hour shot from you. So if you don't want to do and make this right with me, I will be very tempted to tell him exactly your address and give him all your phone numbers, because he's only a 10-hour ride away now. If you're going to spend a lot of money on attorney fees, which I know that you can't fucking afford, I'm filing a civil suit on you, and I'm going to fucking have you thrown in jail. So if you want to go that route, that's fine. Because I could play fucking hardball, and I could play a really fucking hardball. I'm going to fuck you over. That's a fucking guarantee.
So long story short, I get a restraining order, and then he files his lawsuit. This financially devastates me and pushes me into bankruptcy. And then this person's name starts appearing on witness lists. And then his attorney asked me to produce my rapist for a deposition. And then during my request to extend my restraining order, this conduct was questioned by the judge.
I, as a lawyer, have an obligation to identify, pursuant to the rules, all of the potential witnesses. Mr. Miranda was made relevant by Ms. Antonio, not by Mr. Gebert. Mr. Gebert didn't care about Mr. Miranda one way or the other. After this litigation started, Ms. Antonio brought that up and said, this is what happened. We had a right to investigate that matter. We investigated that matter and satisfied ourselves that what Ms. Antonio, as lawyers, Ms. Antonio was telling falsehood, that he was not, in fact, what she said, that what she said was a falsehood and did not, in fact, occur. He was not a threat. He was not an issue, that he was not a rapist, etc. All of the facts that Ms. Antonio has claimed that caused her grief in a broadest sense was not true.
See Part 2.